ole thlir tu le ngai thatu zong te in zavain chibai le vekule hei tung truma chuanin shillong lama Mizo tlang valin hmeichhia pariat ngot a pawngsuala in zalen news lampang hian report an ron pe a video te pawh kan enanga eng pawh nei sela megalaya police in Mizo tlang val laka FIR ziah lu tak Jonathan lalming tha pachuaw ahming hi Jonathan lalming tha pachuaw Bible ming da chu ala nei le ang ta nga la Shillonga Mizo tlang val hmeichhe khwai khem ṭhin anga social media lama viral chu megalaya police te chuan FIR an ziak lut to a an hmalak na zonga Shillonga Mizo NGO te chuan full support pek an tum ninga ni khan Shillonga Mizo NGO te chu hemi chungchanga hian an thu khoma hemi ni vek hian Shillong MSU hruai tu Mizoram ron ho te chu central YMA te nen aning koma thil dan te lo hriat pui turin an khen ani Shillonga Mizo NGO sang ninga ni a thu khom chuan hemi chungchanga hian police malak na zonga full support pe ya tho pui turin thu thluk na an siam ani Shillonga Mizo zirlai hian hmeichhe pariat aya tam khoi khem mai ba ka tina ni chu kan share zelang Shillonga Mizo zirlai hian hmeichhe pariat aya tam a khoi khem mai ba ka social media vozui ṭhin ni in social media lama athanga police station a pawh ko ani towa thu kal zela megalaya police station FIR hi an ziak lut ta ani zalen thu don dan chuan FIR an thelu chan hian Mizo ba ka namdang po alo khoi to ni in pu ani Mizo hmeichhia ba ka namdang nula the Shillong Times in social media lama an tarlan dan chuan he Mizo tlangwal hian hmeichhe pariat aya tampo ani theih a khoi khem te hi video mangin avo zuya mase pakhat chu arai ta ka wangin hriat chu aniya police ne na report aniya a video te chu delete tir tura ti aniya ama hi jela chuan da alani lo dan ang taka hremani theina turin he thu hi theder zelang uti lam hoin post ani social media platform sang adar na sa in namdang page sa le chanela athalak le athil ti thalo tak na sa takin adar na sa make viewani athil ti hi aten omina za thlak tak zeta Mizo mai atibal bokani zalen lampang inti hian an ron post sa
an FIR has been filed in Lamah PS. It was filed on the 7th of July 2026 and all action has been taken by the police side, and as of right now the alleged accused is absconding and we are on the job on it to try and find the alleged accused. Now we are in touch with our counterparts from Mizoram Police. We are in touch with Mizoram Police, so we are trying our level best to try and find the location of the absconding alleged accused. We have not exactly reached out to the parents of the alleged accused, but as of right now, since the alleged accused is absconding, we are trying to our level best to find the location of him. This is quite serious. We are taking it seriously as well from our side. So that's it. That's all I can say right now. Appeal to others who have any evidence towards similar crimes that have been committed on them, that they come forward and file their FIRs accordingly.
I should say that beside us, even like the government official, we do have here in Shillong the senior officer who is like a bureaucrat. She herself, she used to call us also with regard to this, to really find out the matter. So yesterday during the meeting also, she really condemned about this. So we work together between with the government also, the civil society plus the government, and then beside that, many people from Mizoram also, they were condemning about this also. So I think that if found to be true, so we say that the law should really punish this kind of people. There is no place for people like them in any society.
They also say he's holding a high post in the Mizo society, so that's why he does these things.
No, I think that's very wrong, and it's not true. So the father he is a pastor under the Mizoram Presbyterian Synod. So now he served in one of as a pastor in a village in Mizoram. So I even called the local YMA. I personally called them. So I asked about the family. It seems that he came from a very good and decent family. So there's no shielding about this. So even not only from the YMA side, even the Mizo Student Union also, they talk to the father. So he really gave them a very positive reply. But the only thing is that we don't want to come in between because it's already a police case. So what we can do is from our side is that we will assist if they need us, like we did always, So this is not the first time. We often work together with the police and then with the other community as well.
Ole tuna an thusoi dan kalmanga chuanin pawngsual tuwa an pu Jonathan pahi pastor Mizoram pastor angin an soitlat maya ti chuanin Shillong police depon FIR ti khanin an ziak luta an chui zuya Jonathan atak rawn laman lawm Mizoram police te ne na po thuan thlen to ni in an chu soya trangin a hriat theatin OMB lam te po an hriat tir to a Shillonga MSU Mizo Student Union te po an hriat tir to ni in thuka an ron soya engpo ni sela Jonathan a hian a pawngsual nge yati fin fiana ero khachu ala omlova amaro chu tuna hianin pawngsual tu anga pu ani mekani an soidana chu hmeichhia pariat aya tam pawngsual ṭhin anga pu ani ya ti chuanin video te ala in avozui ṭhin angin tuna hian an pu mekani ramdang state danga ani sia a buai viongem tin apa hi pastor anon timo mai sia ke chuanin tu bernge ni ka hrelo a hria ka chuan comments lama ron soi ula hetiang thil hi namdang kara pu ani alo ni kherlo theia pu ala ni chawa a pawngsual nge ya ti fiada kha police lampon an la nei lowa ko tu thluk na tur ania alo pawngsual lo ani phei chuanin inti mul pho na angchi kha ani dona mo tina lo pawngsual ani phei chuanin na tan hianin pariat aya tam pawngsual anga le khoikhem anga pu ani boxi wangin thiam lo chan chona boi khak thui viau ve thei ani Mizo namang zong pana mul pho ve thei ani thil ti sual tu anga nem he alo ni a thiam lo alo chan phei chuan kha a thleng ve le thei tin namdang kara kan om chuanin hei tun la a chuanin pawngsual shim hi mi va pawngsual mi lo pui hmeichhia sual lai leng chuanin an khuat thu chiat luata chu min pawngsual tiang pon do tina in pu ve thei thawa tin va pawngsual tak thei boka tun case khera lo po ya hmeichhia kan ni chuanin afali mi pa hi ompui tam lo ila him berani kan mirin berte pon min pawngsual thei ti hriat a thakho meitin hei mi pawngsual shim hi mi pa lo viewers te zinga mi pa kan lo omani chuanin mi pawngsual du tur khopalak lo din hun anga hianin inda du bik lo tur alak lo thaka are thei thak bok mo chuwang chuanin hmeichhia te chu pawngsual angai hleinem ti mentality hi nei ve nge turani tin anom po hi ka ring te chiam lo ani chuwang chuanin viewers te zinga mi pa kan lo omani chuanin ka tiang mentality kha nei latin sonu so lova pawngsual ngot ta la mo hmeichhe chelo do i buta lova pawngsual ngot ta la kha i pawngsual nu chunga thil thleng angkha i farnu te chunga thleng vele ta se ilung oi bik mi lo kha tiang kha ni viewers mi pa kan om chunga kha kan ngai tu tel ve angai